Okay, so we have another dynamics question from the third chapter of Engineering Mechanics Dynamics by Meriam, and the beam and the attached hoisting mechanism together weigh 2,400 pounds with the center of gravity at G. So we have the center of gravity in the figure. If the initial acceleration of the point B on the hoisting cable is 20 foot per second squared, so we have the acceleration here for the cable, which is 20 foot per second squared. We need to calculate the corresponding reaction at the support A. So the acceleration that we have is for the point P in this cable, and basically because the weight that we have in here is attached to two of this cable, whatever acceleration we have in here, half of that would be the acceleration for the moving of this block. So what we're going to do, we're going to do a cut in here and draw the free body diagram for the weight. So we're going to have the 100 pounds here, and it's attached to two of those. If you just call the cable T, you can also show it like that, TT, just to avoid confusion. Let's just show it like this, and obviously it's going up. So if we just call our X and Y in here for this free body diagram that we have sum of all forces in Y equal to mass times acceleration of this block, which as we talked about, if we call this one A, this acceleration would be A divided by 2. So the forces that we have is 2t negative 100 pounds equal to mass times the acceleration. Keep in mind that we have the weight, so we need to divide it by G, and G, because our units are based on pound and foot, we're going to use 32.2 foot per second squared. So if we divide that, we're going to get mass, so 1000 divided by, and the acceleration that we have from the question is 20, so divided by 2 is going to be 10. So from here we can find the tension in the cable, which will be basically this value. Let's see what we get. So 10,000 divided by 32.2 plus 1,000 divided by 2. And yeah, the tension that we're going to get is going to be 655.3 pounds. And now that we have the tension in the cable, we can move on to the next free body diagram. And the next free body diagram, again, we're going to do this cut. And now we're going to consider this part of this whole system. So our free body diagram will be, so if we just show the whole thing, something like this. So we have the two tensions that we call T. We have the reactions at support A, where we can call it maybe AY. There is also reaction or normal force at this support, which is a pin, so we can consider BX, BY, and also we have the weight of this beam, which is 2,400 pounds, so 2,400 here. And now we can use our equilibrium equation because this beam is not moving in any direction, so sum of all forces equal to 0 because there is no acceleration for this system, and also there is no rotation. So from that we can conclude that the bx is actually 0, and what we are interested is the ay. So if we just do the moment about point B counterclockwise positive, that's going to give us the ay, which is what we're interested. And let's move on to the moment of each of these forces. Let's start with the far end T1, which is a clockwise moment. So negative, we figured that T is 655.3 times the distance. Basically the distance that we have is from B to here. To the center of pulley, we have 8 plus 8, which is 16 feet. And also we have the radius of this pulley over here, which is inches. Keep in mind that this 12 is actually inches, which is equal to 1 foot. So the first T would be 16 plus 1, which is 17. We have the second T, which is also counterclockwise 0.3. And that one is going to be exactly the distance that we have. So 8 plus 8, 16. We have the moment of the weight, which is also clockwise, so 2400. And we need the distance from G to B, which is 8, so we have this distance. And the last one is going to be the moment of AY, which is the only counterclockwise moment, so this will be positive. And the distance would be the 10 feet. So this should give us the AY that we are looking for. I'm just going to factor 655.3, so 17 plus 16 plus 2400 times 8. We're going to divide this by 10. And yeah, that's going to be 4082 pounds. And if you want to report in 3 sig figs for 4080 as the final answer for the reaction at support A. Hope everything was clear. Let me know if you guys have any questions. You guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.